Welcome to NME ICT Sakshat e-Content project under Ministry of HRD Government of India. This project is of marketing management. The project is under NME ICT, that is National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Under this mission, a proper balance between content generation, research in critical areas relating to imparting of education, and connectivity for integrating our knowledge with the advancement in other countries is to be attempted. In order to bolster our knowledge resources to obtain and maintaining the competitive edge in the world, we require a system of identification and nurturing of talent and lifelong learning. Knowledge modules based on personalized needs of the learner would need to be delivered to him or her at the right time with the right content interactively to take care of his or her aspirations. With these objectives in mind, these videos are created for the portal Sakshat. We will learn basic marketing over here.
Hi, I am LL means learner. I am learner of marketing management. I'll learn marketing in master's class. The desire for learning marketing comes out of interest. This is very interesting topic. Marketing management is seen everywhere in the society. You see up or down, you see here and there, you can see brand names and logos and advertisements and people working in marketing area. I am very much interested in learning marketing. Let us learn marketing from Dr. J. Badayani. He is going to teach marketing management under Sakshat e-Content Development Project under National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology, that means NME-ICT. Let us start learning.
Good morning to all. Today, we are going to learn green marketing.
Green marketing. Green marketing is the marketing of the products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. According to American Marketing Associations, there are three definitions available for green marketing. First, retailing definition. Second, socially marketing definition. And third, economical definition or environmental definition. First, according to retailing definition, green marketing is the marketing of the products that are presumed to be environmentally safe. Second, socially marketing definition. According to it, green marketing is the marketing of the products that are designed to minimize the negative effect on physical environment or to improve its quality. Third, environmental definition. According to it, the green marketing is the effort by an organization to produce, package, promote and reclaim the products in such a manner that is sensitive or responsive to ecological concern. Now, after understanding the meaning, the next question arises: why green marketing? Why any organization has to adopt green marketing? See, the first reason is the objective of green marketing. The main objective of green marketing is to save mankind or the living creatures on this earth. If we are going very widely, then the aim of green marketing is to sustain this universe as it exists. Secondly, there are various other reasons for any organization to go for green marketing. For example, by adopting green marketing, any organization can boost its image as being kind to the environment, and subconsciously it can boost towards being kind to the customers. Secondly, the competitors' environmental marketing activities forces firm to adopt or to make any changes in its existing environmental marketing activities. So by adopting green marketing, any organization can make changes in its marketing activities. Thirdly, there are certain costs associated with the disposal of wastage or reduction in material usage forces firm to modify its behavior, and that's why any firm can modify its behavior by going for a green. Nextly, the organizations believes that it is the moral obligations for them to become more socially responsible. Nextly, governmental bodies also forces the organization to become more socially responsible, and this can be done through green marketing, as it is the marketing of the products which saves environment. Now see, likewise advantages, there are certain arguments too against green marketing. These arguments led by the thought that why only the developing countries and their customers paid for green marketing or being green, while developed countries and their customers had not paid any money at the development stage. And on contrary, developed countries and their customers argued that why only they are the focus for paying for being green, while they are ahead, and that's why if the developing countries and their customers are not ready to go for green marketing, then why should they go? The other reason is the theories. Theories of being green are not guaranteed that all the environmental changes can be created by mankind only, but it can be created by nature too. Now let's talk about green marketing mix. Likewise, marketing mix, green marketing mix also having 4 P's of marketing, that is product, price, place and promotion. Price. Price means the value of the product. Green product is having somewhat higher price than other alternatives available for that, but it must meet the purchasing power of the consumer so that consumer can purchase it. Product. The product is known as green product. Green product is the product that is presumed to be environmentally safe, or in other words we can say that the green product means the product which is made by the help of green technologies. For example, the products that can be grown originally or naturally, the products that is not tested on animals. Likewise, next is place. Place mostly focus on the packaging of the products, and secondly, the organization should have to go for the place which is nearer by its regional rather than to go for imported, so that it becomes somewhat easy for them. Next is promotion. Promotion in a simple word is the communication with the customers or people. So the promotion for a green marketing requires special attention. That's why the company has to go for an advertisement about whatever effort made by them to protect environment. Now see, green marketing is most important in today's era because there are certain issues about global warming. So green marketing can help customers and organizations to go for well-being and to protect environment and being healthy. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the class and watching. I have learned a lot. Did you? Have a good day from the learner.